Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Verma and I have 3 years of experience in Salesforce, and today I want to discuss about Gmail integration with Salesforce. So let's start the presentation. Our agenda is to discuss about Lightning for Gmail, Einstein Activity Capture and Lightning Sync. So we will start from Lightning for Gmail. Lightning for Gmail is a free tool and it is available with your Salesforce CRM. By using Lightning for Gmail, any user can synchronize their Gmail inbox with Salesforce CRM directly. And it can be used by customers on Lightning Experience and on Salesforce Classic as well. And it is available to Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Force.com customers. By using Lightning for Gmail, any user can add any email or meeting right into Salesforce and connect them to the right contact account or opportunity. Users can also modify any Salesforce records without leaving their Gmail inbox. By using Lightning for Gmail, users can view any Salesforce information like their emails, contacts, deal, or account, and it can be enabled from your Salesforce account. We will discuss it in detail in our demo video. So now move on to Einstein Activity Capture. Einstein Activity Capture is a background tool and it can help us to keep data between Salesforce and any email or calendar application. By using Einstein Activity Capture, any email or event that we send or receive are automatically added to the activity timeline of any Salesforce record like account, contact, or lead. By using Einstein Activity Capture, sales rep don't need to manually log activities in Salesforce. It will be automatically added by Einstein Activity Capture. Einstein Activity Capture syncs events and contacts between Salesforce and our Microsoft or Google account. By default, its configuration capture email and events, but users can decide whether to sync contacts or event and in what direction. Its users can share their emails or events with any user, or they can keep it as private. Users can modify their activity sharing at any time using their personal settings. The group owner can select enable email and event sharing on the group settings. After that, any email or event can be shared with all the group members. Now we will discuss about Lightning Sync. It is also a background tool like Einstein Activity Capture, and it is used to synchronize contacts and events between Salesforce and Microsoft Exchange or Google account. But to set up Lightning Sync, we need Google G Suite admin account. The open free Gmail account is not supported by Lightning Sync because it is a background tool. That's why there is no user interface. It can relate any event to any Salesforce record. By using Lightning Sync, user calendars are automatically synced in every 15 minutes. It can be used by customers on Lightning Express and on Salesforce Classic as well. And it is available to Sales Cloud customers. So now I will give you the demo for Lightning for Gmail. Let me open my developer account. So this is my Salesforce account I already opened, and let me find Gmail integration from quick find box, and now I will click on Gmail integration and sync, and it will redirect to this page. So Gmail integration is already enabled in my org, and if it is not enabled in your org, you can enable by clicking this button. So before using Lightning for Gmail with any Gmail inbox, we have to download Lightning for Gmail extension from Chrome Store, and it is already downloaded for my Chrome account. Let me check in my Gmail inbox. So here we can see the Salesforce information in Gmail inbox, and we can create any record from here. We can also search any record, and we can open and see all the information of any record. We can also create any task from here. So we don't need to go to Salesforce account. We can do anything directly from Gmail inbox. So this is all about Lightning for Gmail. So now move on to our second integration option, that is iStream Activity Capture. Let me open my Salesforce account again and find iStream Activity Capture. Click on Settings under iStream Activity Capture and turn on iStream Activity Capture from here. So now iStream Activity Capture is enabled in my org. And let me check in my Gmail inbox. So I'm sending an email to any Gmail account. Email has been sent from my account. Now open any contact related to this Gmail account. Let me open any contact. So this is the contact related to my Gmail account. And so this email has been captured related to this contact in my activity timeline. So iStream Activity Capture is a background tool, and it can relate the event or any email to contact, contract, or any account record. And currently we don't have any G Suite admin account to set up Lightning Sync. That's why we are not able to create any demo on Lightning Sync. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to understand about Gmail integration with Salesforce.